very much. Thank you very much for this very warm welcome. Anything else is not expected from Lahore, of course, you know. I have very good memories with this city. Every time I came, I received a similar type of reception, of warmth. So I am obliged to thank you very much. My Consul General, Emir Bey, executives of AB Pakistan, Wasa, Al-Hikmat, country coordinator of TIKA Gökhan Bey, not so much ladies around, but I will still say ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Before I continue, I would like to ask Gökhan Bey to come and stand by me, and so that you can give him the great round of applause that he deserves for this project. Please, Gökhan Bey. I would like to feel your presence when I'm talking. So it's a great pleasure once again to be in this very beautiful country, the heart of Pakistan, the cultural hub of Pakistan, and of course, it has beauties, it has much to offer to the tourists, to the sightseers, but also it has serious challenges. And today, what you see here is just a small contribution to one of the most urgent problems of Lahore, Punjab and Pakistan, which is the availability of the safe drinking water. This plant is not, of course, meant to solve all the problems of, you know, reaching out to clean water, but what we have in mind initiating this project was that we can raise some awareness in the Pakistani public about the necessity of clean water, about the preservation of the water resources, and of course, touching the hearts and minds of some brothers and sisters who are really in need of and, you know, urgent access of to the clean water. So, as you have heard, this is the 5th project in 3 cities, Faisalabad, Islamabad and Lahore, and there are 5 more in Karachi. So these are all small contributions trying to ease out the issue that we know, which is very dear to your government and your Prime Minister, Mr. Imran Khan. So about the cooperation, future cooperation, what I would like to let you know is that our embassy, our Consul General, our consulate here, our development agency, TIKA, his representative, Gökhan Bey, we will always be here for going hand in hand with relevant Pakistani institutions and government agencies to bring a, some kind of hope, some kind of change in some meaningful projects. We will always be here whenever you need something, whenever Pakistan needs something. We feel it deep in our hearts that, we should be of help in any way we can to our brothers and sisters in this beautiful country. And I know that this is not a one-way street. I am very much aware of the sentiments that you are breathing for your brothers and sisters back in Turkey. So what we are trying to do is We are trying to strengthen this bond between the two countries through some social work as well, through some development work as well. And not only development and, you know, humanitarian issues, our business people, they are also more and more interested in coming over to Pakistan and, you know, trying to be part of the development efforts and, you know, economy, the trade opportunities they would like to, you know, also utilize. And it's a great honor for me to report that this footprint is growing day by day. And I would like to let you know that this footprint, be it the social work, be it the humanitarian assistance, or be it the presence of the Turkish entrepreneurs and business people, it is a blessing. It is a very positive thing for Pakistan. And the more you help them, the more you pave the way for them, the more this footprint, inshallah, will grow in the future. So once again, thank you very much for inviting me to come back. Al-Hikmat executives for this beautiful occasion and for this very beautiful and meaningful, I'm doing it in this very beautiful month, Rabiul Awwal. That's also, it has a very big meaning in itself. So sharing in this very beautiful city, in this very beautiful month, is also adding on our pleasure. So thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.